We'll switch to a site view in the project browser. We'll go to our architecture tab, floors, and we're going to create a floor for a reference. So we'll use our line tool and just draw a quick outline over a section of the site. When we're done, click the green checkbox. It'll create a floor slab. Next, we'll go back to our As-Built tab. We'll just go ahead and grab a view over here. We'll move our floor slab down just so we can see the site point cloud. We'll go to Calculate. We'll use the Select tab to select our floor slab. Here we can set the spacing. This is the deviation amount. And we'll hit Calculate. It takes just a few seconds to go through. You notice it puts a legend and a heat map. You can grab and move that legend just so it's a little bit easier to see. Now we'll use the Hide or Show Point Cloud command. We'll go up to Export Results. We'll select our slab again. Click Finish. Here we want to make sure that we're using our minimum value. In the U direction, click OK. This will take a couple minutes to process, and what it'll do is give us our topo lines, a point analysis. You can see we've got a couple areas where we've got some high points. We can come in here, just find a good view, and window over to select and delete any of those extra points. Once we've got some of those deleted, we can go back to our As-Built tab under Object Tools. Select our Topo Surface command. We'll window over the lines we have here. Click Finish. Once this processes, we'll end up with a 3D Revit object that matches our point cloud. This is our topo surface. We can turn back on our point cloud. You see it aligns with our slope of our surface. We can select a line. We can hide the category so we have a better view of that surface. And from here we can change or alter some of the settings by going to the Massing and Site tab, and you can change the contour line spacing as necessary.